And of course, I'm feeling really awkward talking to nobody doing this, so I apologize. I got my Monimoto GPS tracker. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Thank you, El Conquistador. Yes. There we go. Seal has not been broken. Can you see that? I think you can. Seal has not been broken. Seal is very tight. Tie wraps, or zip ties, I guess people call them. I call them tie wraps, don't know why. The fob. Look at that, it's not very big at all. I thought it was bigger than that. It's hard to tell from YouTube's, but it's not very big. Nice. And empty. That's it. And the instructions. Number 1, download the app. I will go do that. Where's my phone? But I'm using my phone to see how my GoPro's doing. So I had it back here so I could watch myself show you. Boy, I hope I cut most of this out. So I'm gonna have to go and get the app. Let's see, how can I do that and not turn you off? Insert elevator music here, or edit it out. And while that's downloading, if anybody's interested how I keep things charged up on my bike while I'm riding, is I have a battery tender hooked up, and then they have the battery tender adapter to go to, they have the battery tender adapter to go to a USB port. And that way I can keep my phone charged while it's downloading. And then I also have the battery tender device that I don't know if this is actually battery tender. I don't think it is. It doesn't have their logo on it, but I have that. Like everybody else, I want my phone number. Verify phone number. There is the magic number. It's got 2 arrows right there for lining up when you put it back together. This would be a lot quicker if I wasn't making a video, huh? Welcome. I did that. Step 2. If you purchased SIM card separately, insert as shown, which I did not, so there is a SIM card in there, right there. Remove the plastic strip. The LED will start flashing. My strip won't come out, so I'm taking the battery out, then taking the strip out, putting the battery back in. Oh, okay, I'm going to do this so you can see it. It's right in there. Hope you can see it. There's the red, and there's the green. Okay, And the app says next to select the key fob that I have. I have this one. That's my fob. Plastic strip already removed. Place Monimoto and key fob very close to your phone, which they are. Monimoto name. I'm going to change my name to, you guessed it, my Monimoto name is my Royal Enfield with my phone number. Next. Allow Monimoto to access the device's location. Allow. Check the serial number to make sure you selected the right device. The serial number is where is it? Right there. Serial number is right down here. And it is. I don't need to rescan. Okay, it is. That's correct. What do I do? Add plus. Connecting. There we go. Pairing. Tap to pair. Okay, so seems what happened is when it searched and wanted to pair with my phone for Bluetooth, I didn't tap on the pair button quick enough, and it didn't take. So I just started all over again. Did the same thing you saw, only this time I tapped pair quick enough, and it did. And now it's also done a firmware update while I was getting the GoPro to come back here. So that's all done. And doggone it, it doesn't seem to recognize me. Rescan. Oh no, that's the right one. I should have just tapped that. Yeah, I'm a little slow with this electrical stuff sometimes. Confirming key fob. I did take my key fob apart to make sure that there wasn't a tab in there that I didn't see. The battery was already connected correctly. While that's going, I will show you the fob. There's a little notch right there where you put a small screwdriver in there and snap it open, get to the battery. Cue the elevator music. Checking GSM network could take up to 2 minutes. Of course, I will cut that out, hopefully. Nobody wants to sit here and stare for 2 minutes except me. I think this is exciting. I like the fact that you can take this and not only have it hidden on your motorcycle, if you wanted to, you could throw it in your saddlebags. If somebody took your bike with the saddlebags, it would get it. If somebody just quickly grabbed your saddlebags and ran off and took all your clean underwear, you could catch them too if you really want to get that underwear back that bad. And for me, my computer stuff, which is, you know, nowadays our laptops have our entire life in there. Would want to get that back, I could throw it in my computer bag. Okay, 2 minutes. Warning, we've encountered some problems while configuring your Monimoto. You can solve those in the Monimoto app homepage. Okay, well, we will go solve that. I got a text. can read that. I think you can. I think you can. It says, "Welcome. I am your Monimoto. Please save this number to your phone book. I will call you when an alarm occurs." Sweet. I will do that. I got a phone call from Monimoto. So I've saved the phone number as my Royal Enfield, last name Monimoto, and I've gotten a text so far from them and a phone call. Nobody was there; it just called, so I could see it was working. And so I'm still trying to get this GSM to connect. I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, so as usual, I assumed it was me doing something wrong several times over. Went outside, nothing made any difference. So I did a restart on my phone, and that took care of the problem. So I'm all set to go now. I'm going to go out and stick this on my bike and see if I can make it work. And in case I didn't tell you, it's working fine. I did the restart. And but while I was out thinking that the problem was maybe reception with GSM, I did get a phone call, and it didn't say anything, but I got a phone call. I saw the caller was my Royal Enfield, so I knew it was working. And I was getting ready to put this together and go outside, and I don't know if I mentioned earlier, there's one thing I like about this, it's got 2 O-rings to seal moisture out. And so I just wanted to show you that. So there's the fob, there's the phone. Let's see how long it takes. Sorry about the legs. Did it work at all? Let's see. Did it work at all? Whoa, look at that. Nice. Okay, so what I want to do now is take this back to here. Attempt number 2. There's the fob. This time I'll leave the screen on if it makes any difference. There's the bike. Pardon the ugly legs. Here we go. Hello. There you go. There's no voice there. Well, that's pretty cool. Did it ring twice? Let's see. And it's also, what is this? Oh, and the app goes off too. Cool. Message. I guess I need to keep them apart. Oh, they are apart still. Events. Let's see, which one's the last event? Oh, it was telling me it was ready. So the alarm went off at 32 after. I think I got on the bike at 31. Got an alarm. And then that's when I came back. Key fob found, went to ready mode. Monimoto is ready. Very cool. I'm liking this. I'll have to go watch this video to see how long it took. Looks like it only took 60 seconds. I think I'm liking it. Now I gotta find a place to hide it. And unfortunately, there won't be a video on that. Ha 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 ha. It won't be in the bag. It won't be in the Royal Enfield bag. Won't be in the bag next time. I'll find a place to ingeniously hide it. And I won't let you know where it was. Oh, my bike is so dirty. That's the next thing I have to do is clean it. Even when she's a dirty little bike, she's pretty. Isn't that sexy? I want to go ride. Okay, I don't want to edit videos. I want to ride. And the Indianapolis 500's tomorrow. Woohoo! Big screen TV here at my buddy's house. Later. And I'm supposed to say, now go enjoy your ride.